Ito na yung end game para sa akin. Kaya akit na ako after this, hindi na ako atin sa masusunod na hearing because for me, nandun yung satisfaction ko to prove for me and to everybody here na ikaw ay from day one nagsisinungaling at tama lang na ikaw ay nakulong sa baba at ang gusto ko mamaya pati ito mga kulong. So ito magpapatunay na ikaw ay nagsisinungaling. Period. Nakwento ko na, dagdag ulit, medyo backtrack ulit. Sinabi ko lang kanina, Mr. Chair, meron ako isang case na nasolve ko, massacre ng isang family ng dahil sa lie detector test. Dahil sa lie detector test, yung pulis alam nila kung paano atakihin yung pag-iimbestiga, nakahon hanggang sa Mr. Chair, umamin yung padre di pamilya na pinatay niya yung kanyang mag-iina dahil sa selos. Yun. Okay? Yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Salamat, Mr. Estrada, Senator Estrada. Mr. Chair.
Salamat po. If I can cite the pertinent provision of the lie detector result, this is Polygraph Report 2023-046-C, signed by John Greg Ferran, Polygraph Examiner, and reviewed and approved by Mr. Basilio, and approved by Assistant Director Romel Papa. Ang nakalagay po dito, and then before that, yung pong abogado nyo nandun nung first attempt ng polygraph.
Wala po, Your Honor.
And then nakadalawang attempt yun eh. Yung, di ba, yung una, yung masamang pakiramdam o kinabukasan.
Wala.
Yung una, wala rin.
Wala po.
So, tatanungin ko ngayon ang NBI, ano pong ibig sabihin ng indicative of deceptions? Who can answer this? How do you explain this in layman's language?
So yung ibig sabihin po yung
Sa Tagalog, oh.
ang ibig pong sabihin, nagsisinungaling po yung subject nung ibigay po yung mga tanong na nabanggit po sa report.
Ano ba yung tanong? Kung ikaw na magbasa? O
So dito po, Your Honor, sa polygraph test ni Pranilyn Ruiz, yung mga tinanong po sa kanya na nagsisinungaling siya ay ito po. Totoo bang lahat ang mga akusasyon o paratang laban sa iyo ni Ate LB Vergara? Ang sagot po niya ay hindi po, pero meron po siya ditong deceptive reaction.
yung pangalawa,
Okay.
ikaw
Ano
ba
yung-
mismo? Ang
Mabalik ko lang yung sa tanong ni Senator, if I, with the permission of the chair, mabalik ko lang yung sa tanong ni Senator Francis. Ano ibig sabihin nung indicative of deception? Ano naging reaction niya nung tinanong mo siya?
Nagkaroon po, sa polygraph tracing segment po kasi, Your Honor, meron po silang 4 na klase ng tracing segment. Isa po yung average tracing segment, yung sunod po ay reaction tracing, pangatlo po ay relief tracing, at saka yung pang-apat po ay distortion tracing. Pagka po ang subject ay nagsasabi ng totoo, usually po makikita doon yung tinatawag na average tracing.
Average
Yes po.
tracing.
Yes po, ang ibig
Alright.
po sabihin nito, ito po yung kanyang normal na tracing segment. Na kung saan,
Nagre-reflect ba yan sa ano niya?
yes po,
sa equipment?
sa chart paper po, yes po.
Alright.
So pagka nagsisinungaling po yung subject, lumalabas po dito yung tinatawag na reaction tracing. Sa
Yung?
layman terms po, reaction tracing po. Yung sa layman terms po, ito po yung nagde-deviate po yung tracing segment from yung average tracing po, nagde-deviate po kung anong klaseng pattern po yung lumalabas. Nababago po, yung sinasabi kong average tracing po, yung normal, nababago po yan. At the time na ibinigay po yung tinatawag na relevant question.
So, pag nagsinungaling, kuha ka agad.
Yes po.
O ito, nagtanong ako kanina kung nandun yung abogado ng first night eh. Eh sabi nyo, wala. Ito, sinasabi ni Atty. Mortel, nandun ka raw, Atty. Arugay.
Nung magpapirma po, patapos na po, magpipirma ako ng
Hindi,
papel.
nandun ba yung abogado nung unang gabi na sumama yung pakiramdam mo, ipopolygraph ka sana, tumaas lang yung BP, kaya hindi natuloy.
Your Honor, I was accompanying Mr. Ruiz
Oh,
and
di
the
nandun
other
nga.
2 persons who were inside the Padilla
So you were
conference
there?
room.
Oo,
She was downstairs, Your Honor.
No,
Kasi
but
kung-
you were present in the premises.
I was present during the conduct of
First attempt.
at that time, can I relate
Hindi,
the
yung
sequences, Your
unang
Honor?
pagkatapos ng hearing, di ba,
I was
nag-polygraph?
here from 1 p.m. until 6 p.m., Your Honor, during the conduct of polygraph examination for Mr. Ruiz as well as the 2 other witnesses.
Ito nga,
What
kaya-
about-
After that, Your Honor, we went down to
Oo,
see my
hindi natuloy
client.
kay Mrs. Ruiz kasi nga,
High blood.
high blood.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo, so nandun, may counsel doon, di lang natuloy. Kaya kung talagang mali, di ipo-polygraph natin to si committee secretary na. Ito na yung nalilin lang tayo, naliliis. So,
We were together all that time, Your Honor.
Oh,
Me and
nandun ka.
Attorney Mortel.
What about the second attempt dito sa pag-polygraph test kay Mrs. Franz? Were you there? Were you present?
At the time that I arrived, Your Honor, they were already inside the room downstairs, Your Honor, and there was already machine that was attached to my client.
Did you enter the room?
At that time, Your Honor, I entered the room for purposes of counseling her with respect to the
You were
document
there.
that the NBI was asking her to
Yes,
sign.
you were-
After
you
that,
were
Your
pala,
Honor,
yan
I
tayo.
was...
di abogado naman pala
Ito
eh.
naman si... Hanggang ngayon pa ba?
Kanina,
Hanggang ngayon,
abogado.
hanggang ngayon pa, magsisunungaling ka pa rin? Ha?
May I clarify, Your Honor?
Mrs. Franz, hindi, tanongin ko lang si Mrs. Franz. Sinasabi mo rito sa committee to, wala kang abogado. Nung kinundak yung polygraph test sa iyo, pala nandun si attorney.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, nung pagsimula po namin wala si attorney, nagpapirma lang po siya, Your Honor and Mr. Chair. Saglit lang po siyang oras, umalis din po agad.
Ay, hindi ka nakasalanan na umalis yung abogado mo. Basta nandun yung abogado mo. He was the one
Nakita niya
Nakita niya na
alam niya
you
na
were
mayroong polygraph
undergoing
examination.
polygraph test. Oh. Hanggang ngayon, sinungaling ka pa rin.
She is nodding her head. So, Senator Estrada, you can proceed with
Alright.
your questioning.
Okay, sa NBI, okay. Nung kinunan mo ng who conducted the